Hi, I'm Christine Thompson, co-founder of Spoken Wheel and master colorist. Most people are exposed to hard water, which means there are metals and minerals that are found in the water that actually build up in the hair. These metals and minerals can wreak havoc on the hair, especially during color services. There's so many things to navigate while you're coloring hair that I like to use the Pro Chelator to just remove the hard water from the hair to ensure that I'm not going to have any unexpected results. The reaction that can happen with these metals and minerals definitely can affect your color service. We can tell when we see sometimes that swelling of the foils. You'll feel heat a lot of times if you're getting that swelling. In extreme cases, you actually might see smoking coming from the hair. That's the metal and the mineral reacting to your product. I've always been a big proponent for chelating the hair before services. This is a game changer because of the fact it is so quick and easy to use. Coming from what I used to use to the effectiveness of this product, and especially around timing, is just such a game changer.